Alright, boys, we back. What's good? Alright, so last video we got like 9:30 or something. How fast we can make a beat. I feel like I can top that today. So yeah, let's get it. Let me find where the timer at holy frick. Okay, there we go. Stopwatch. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Acoustic piano, let's go hard there. Here we go. We're just gonna go minor here. Spread that chord out. Bring it up. Let's make let's bring this up. Bring it here. Nah, here's what we're gonna do. Okay, bro, I swear I need to study music theory. That's clean, that's clean. Yeah. Bring that up an octave, go back. We're gonna spread these out. Add a bass note real quick. Yeah, speed that up. 180. Add the bell, purity bell. Here we go. G normal, tubular bells. Let's add a violin, Xeniology, or strings. Here we go. Strings. Fudge. Okay, we are at 225. We're chill. Gotta be done after these strings though. Fudge, I need to add a bass though. Oh. I don't have time to listen to that, bro. What am I doing? Come on. Here, part, here. Come on, man. 1, 2, 3. Here, 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 here. Okay, we're good, we're good. Let's add some drums to this bad boy. Here we go, split channel, audio clips. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring them in. Slice them up. Dang it, bro, I hate these bells. Come on. Slice that up. Here we go. Bom, 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 bom. Drums. Do that up. Okay, come on. I swear I'm slow today. School cooks me, bro. Okay, here. Come on, here. Pitch that up. 2, go. 1, 4. Sorry, those are my key things. My shortcuts. I'm liking that. Okay, add a kick. Okay, no, we don't need no kick. Because we got some fire 808s from the Chambers Iconic 2. Let's go. Okay, here. Cut that out. Bring it up. Okay, let's go. 808. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, we know what it is. Fudge. Here. C. Come on. C, C, C. We go up to D, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Okay. Spread that out here. Bring that up a semitone, and then we go back in here. Bring us in here. Take out the bass. Oh, that's hard. That's hard. Okay, bring this up. Ha ha ha. Let's go. Okay, now we gotta mix it. We are at 5:45. Okay, I just have to mix this in less than 2 minutes. Let's go. Split by channel. Turn this off. Here we go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. One, all. Come on. There we go. Put them in the mixer. Bust them up. There she is. I'm gonna make it more of a texture because I don't really like that sound. Okay, I think we good on the mix. We're gonna beat it, bro. We're gonna beat it. Let's go. Okay, here. Mix here. Boom, boom, boom. I want to make this more interesting. Yeah, it sounds way more mysterious. Okay, here. Bring this out, add the bass over. We can add the hi-hats in a little bit later and just copy that over. Boom, boom, boom. And we are done in 8:10. I just paused it. 8:10.99. Let's go. Okay, so I'm cooked for the next video, but still beat our goal by like a minute 20. So yeah, here's the full beat. Wayboy Productions. Type C. See y'all in the next video.